Aputure, we're dedicated to solving the non-stop struggle of set life. But problem solving takes flexibility. So now we're taking that flexibility one step further. As Aputure's first RGB light, the MC gives you the power to reproduce any color with the flick of a finger and in the palm of your hand. Because while the MC is a light that packs a punch solo, its real power comes as part of a crew. The 4-light travel kit is designed for guerrilla and travel filmmakers to slip the case into any camera bag or backpack on the move. And with built-in wireless charging, you can rest easy knowing that an entire case of lights can be charged and ready come shoot day. Control up to 100 fixtures simultaneously, all from the Sidus Link app. Because the MC is a light that is designed for you, to go wherever you go, suit what you need, and create without question. Any color, anytime.
Lume Cube's mid-sized bicolor LED panel made for, you guessed it, the on-the-go creator. The Panel Go packs a serious punch while remaining small and portable and easy to carry in the gear bag. To turn on your Panel Go, simply find the power button, hold it for 3 seconds, and your light will turn on. The Panel Go is made with 112 LEDs, where the Panel Mini is made with 60 bicolor LEDs. The Panel Go stands tall at 4.8 inches wide by 2.6 inches tall by 0.3 inches deep, which is 1.3 inches wider and half an inch taller than the Lume Cube Panel Mini. The Panel Go weighs in at 126 grams, where the Panel Mini weighs in at 85 grams. The Panel Go is a full spectrum bicolor LED light, meaning you can adjust the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to daylight balance or 5600 Kelvin. You can also adjust the brightness from 1% up to 100% in 5% increments. Now how you do this is using these blue buttons on the side. You'll tap the top button to adjust between color temperature and brightness. Simply tap the plus button to increase the color temperature and the minus button to decrease the color temperature or make the light warmer. To adjust brightness, it's basically the same process. Select the mode button to adjust the brightness section, press the plus button to increase brightness up to 100%, and the minus button to decrease brightness down to 1%. One of the best parts about the Panel Go is the intelligent LCD control screen on back. Not only does the LCD control screen show you your color temperature settings and the brightness setting, but it shows you your battery life and runtime. Runtime down to the last minute. If you're on 1% power, the light will last up to 16 hours. 50% brightness will get you 2.3 hours, and full brightness will get you 1.2 hours. When it comes to LED qualities, the Panel Go is top-notch. Each LED has a CRI of 96 plus, and the brightness is 1080 lux at 0.5 meters. That's about double the brightness of the Panel Mini at 0.5 meters. The Panel Go comes with a DSLR mount included. However, you can mount it to any device using the 1/4-20 thread on bottom. If you're using light to film others, you know how important diffusion is. We overlaid a custom frosted lens over the Panel Go to give off a nice soft diffused light without cutting back too much power. To recharge your Panel Go, use the provided USB-C recharge cable and insert it into the USB-C recharge port. If you need your light for longer durations, you can leave it plugged in and charging while you're using your light. Now let's see what's inside the box. First we have the Panel Go, a USB-C charging cable, and a low profile camera mount. And underneath it all, we have the quick start guide.
At Aputure, we know that to make films, you need more than just power, and you definitely need more than just tools. You need a drive to go where none have gone before. Introducing the Amaran MW. For the first time ever, the strength of our brightest lights can now be carried in your pocket. The MW utilizes Aputure perfected chip-on-board technology, the same power that fuels the 120 and 300D, to claim its place as our most powerful micro LED yet. This breakthrough allows the MW to be even smaller than the Amaran MX, compact enough to travel wherever your vision takes you, but also powerful enough to seize any moment. The MW is twice as powerful as the Amaran MX, making it the brightest mini LED on the market, and the only travel light capable of challenging the sun. But again, raw power isn't enough. Boasting a TLCI and CRI of 95+, this light guarantees incredible skin tones and tonal reproduction every time. And with a snap-on silicone diffuser and gel holder, the MW combines speed with all-star versatility and intensity. Pound for pound, the MW crushes every lighting test. At minimum, the MW has a battery life of 24 hours, giving it the endurance to continue fighting round after round. And with an aircraft aluminum build and IP68 certified housing, the MW is a light that can withstand any element or force of nature. Not only is the light impact and dust proof, but it is also the first light to be completely waterproof. The MW pushes beyond the surface. It works even 30 feet underwater. And it comes ready with tricks built up its sleeve. 5 lighting effects: lightning, paparazzi, fireworks. Whether it's for recreating the flicker of a faulty bulb or the glow of a television screen, the MW brings life to any scene when you want to see it, and stays invisible for when you don't. Because the best challenge themselves. So at Aputure, we design with this in mind. What do the filmmakers of tomorrow need today? For us, it's nothing less than the ability to create anything, anywhere. Because when the limits are gone, we want to know, what will you find?
Bring up the fire. Fire in.
Okay, yeah, that looks good. We can use that. All right, let's move on.
Okay, let's cut the fire, bring up the key.
Okay, fire out. Key coming up. Key light.
Down 10%.
Down 10.
Throw an 8 CTO on that.
8 CTO.
Can I see that blue light?
Bring in the blue fill for me.
Coming in.
Yep, that's good.
Pull that blue.
Copy.
Okay, in. Out. Okay, let's cut the key for a sec. Move on to the street light.
Street light up.
Oh no.
Can I see that in red?
Coming in.
Right. Show me sodium.
Sodium.
I don't think we need that.
Kill that and show me the moon with double CTB.
Coming in.
Kill the street light again.
Street light.
Kill the street and give me full CTB.
Coming in.
Okay, now bring everything back up.
Copy that.
Give me the police lights.
Yep, that looks okay.
Pull it. Give me lightning.